We don't have a lot of space in our kitchen, so I bought this kitchen island. It is on wheels, so I can move it wherever I want, and it has been so helpful for storage, having extra workspace if I'm going to bake cookies or something like that, and also for my granddaughter and I to sit at it and do some crafts. Let me see if I can show you how easy this rolls. This is one-handed. I'm holding my phone with the other hand, but I can put it right in the middle of my kitchen. I could even move it into my dining room if I wanted to. It has tons of storage. This is a small drawer. You could put utensils in there. This is a larger drawer, more utensils, or you could put your saran wrap and things like that in there. This is a trash can holder, which is a great idea. We have a covered trash can, so it won't fit in there, but it's the perfect spot for holding paper towels and toilet paper. And then down here, these are all of our snacks, but there's so much storage. You could see there's room down there. You could put small appliances like crock pots and air fryers. Now this did come unassembled. It came in a box. My husband assembled it. He said it did take quite a bit of time, but he said the directions were very easy to follow and he didn't have any trouble. This side has a place for your knives. And then right here, I have some apples and garlic, but you could put your spices, things like that here. There's a towel bar under here. The other end also has a towel bar on this side. So this would be a great little bar at a party. So if you like to entertain, we use this to put our buffet food on for our family dinners. I'm gonna show you the back of this. Let me scoot this out a little bit. Go. Now this, it has two plugs. So this plugs into the wall and then you could plug in crock pots or whatever you wanted to plug in here. There's also two USB ports. So you could charge your phones or your devices while you're cooking. This shelf comes up. Let me back that up a little bit. Look at this. Whoops. Let me move the cord. There we go. This shelf comes up. This shelf and the whole top is very sturdy. It is not going to warp. I would definitely cover it if you're going to put a hot dish on it. Now you could put, this is the perfect height for putting a bar stool here. So you could put two bar stools here, have two people sitting on this side. You really could put two bar stools on the other side if you wanted to, and have a little place to eat. Maybe like a little breakfast area for your kids if you wanted to. But this is a really nice top and it's very sturdy. My husband did suggest not putting anything super heavy on this side because he said he thinks that it probably would bend the mechanisms that are under here. Now this is easy to take down. I'm not going to be able to do it because I'm holding my phone in one hand, but this is really easy to take down. You just push the clips. You push the clips on both sides and then it folds down super easy. We have been using this for 9 months. This was a treat to myself for Christmas this past year. We have used it a lot. It gets used every day for something. Some kind of a project or cooking or baking or setting things on top of it to cool. But we have found that this is a wonderful addition to our kitchen.